3 million people are going to be inside of it.
You can tell this is definitely an older model with how worn the...
It's not too old. It's like from like 5 years ago or something about that. Should get glass. It used to be Dover with monitor.
Hydro?
Yep. Hydraulic.
Third floor, going up.
Hi. Sorry, I've been
We're not even going down. Do you know them?
Nope.
This is painful. It's like... literally takes like 30 seconds to level itself with the floor.
Fifth floor, going up.
I think we're entertaining some people down there.
Yeah.
They see us filming the elevator.
I was like, what, are those some people you saw earlier or something?
Nope.
How much you want to bet those people walking out of their room, we're going to stop and pick them up on the way down on the 6th floor. Oh my God. That's like my luck. I've come to find that as soon as I start filming, that's when everyone...
Here we go.
Oh,
They
here we
already
go.
called.
Let's hold it a little. Give us some time for another car to call.
Well, we only got 2 options because the this left one doesn't work, so
Yeah.
maybe get this one.
Jesus. I really don't know why they went with hydro.
These are so...
They're slow as hell. Dover Slover. Let's get a look at the outside. Oh, I knew it. I called it. Literally, they're all at the bottom right now. Are you kidding me?
It's kind of interesting how there's like a square on the top and it's open all the way down.
Yeah, that is strange. Now we gotta wait for them all to come up.
Don't drop your phone.
Yeah, seriously.
That would be very bad.
Holding on to it for dear
It
life.
might crash into the people that we're just waving at.
Yeah, then they won't be waving so very happily anymore. They'll be making other hand gestures. Oh my God, and of course it's stopping on 2 again. Anyway.
I'm just going to hold the phone this way, so if you do drop your phone, it's now going to be on YouTube forever.
I'll make sure
That also
doesn't
could
happen.
potentially be evidence against your court case.
Oh my God, the other one. Oh my God, they're both stopping us. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
And I feel like the people are still waiting on 6, right?
No, they got
already
picked
got
up and
it,
went
okay.
down. Oh, great. These cars literally go at like 1 foot per minute too. That doesn't help. What are they doing? The door? Oh, here we go. That's gonna stop at 4 now.
No way. I think that's our elevator.
Yeah.
All right, I gotta run.
You go get it, Jason. Hurry up. Yep, it's ours.
Literally hasn't opened yet.
Yeah, it's starting its 10-year leveling sequence.
Gee, how many people are gonna pick up?
Every
I
floor.
think I saw someone coming on 7.
I hope not. I think they went back in their room, but let's hope.
I like the double indicator.
Oh yeah, the screen and the LED, and the segmented. We might make it. we go. We actually made it down. No way. Excuse me.
All right, we're not riding that again.
Yeah, no, that
I'm ready to go
literally-
take a nap after that one.
And oh my god, of course it's.
Ground floor going up.
Come in, come.
Anyway, then the ATM's in its own fortress. That's all.